see this rust? It just pisses me off. So, we're going to paint this section of the van from there all the way down, because it just looks a little bit tatty and I don't like it. So, it's my van, I can do what I want. First of all, it needs a bloody good clean because it's a bit grubby. Right, so now it's clean. Let's wait for it to dry. Magically, it's the next day and everything's dry. So, what do we need? We need masking tape. We need paint. And I've gone with Johnson's metal paint. So, it's good for metal, painting metal, all types of metal. And it will go on top of Raptor paint as well. Not a problem whatsoever. And we're going to be using a roller. Rolling tray and a roller. And a little brush to get in the little fiddly areas. So, first of all, now it's all clean, we're going to mask it up. We're just going to this line here. So, we're going to mask along the van with this right the way along and then give it a paint. It will go on top of Raptor paint, not a problem.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know we're onto something.
Right, once your masking tape's on, then you can just start painting it. Little tip with masking tape. When you're putting it on, just tack it down, a little bit at a time, and then smooth over it. Don't stretch the masking tape because it goes wobbly. Hopefully now I've got a straight line, we can get painting and do one side.
I know we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like
So once we've painted it, then we can do the fun bit.
there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know.
That's one side done. Now to do the other.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
See, it's at this point where I just tend to get a bit carried away.
The lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
I'm going to be honest with you. I'm made up with that, and that's all that matters. Doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. Doesn't even matter what you think. It's my van. It's your van. So just do what you want to your vans, just like I've done to mine. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us some comments. What jobs are you doing on your van? And if you want to know about the paint that's on the van, there's a card up there. Go and check it out. Raptor paint. It's kind of amazing, and it brings our beds like this up into the century we're living in now, rather than look like old dirty rust buckets. And it's dead easy to do, so shh, don't tell any painters, because they want to rip you off. You can do it.
Die with my own doubts.